Here it is here. And now what we can do is we can resize it. So if we go back, image, click resize. So right now it's 162 by 200. We have absolute size on here and maintain aspect ratio. So if we make this bottom one 125, top one adjusts automatically. So let's click OK. And it's resize that for us. Be the same height as our banner. Now we'll do a save as, and we'll save it as something else. Okay, and then we've got to go through this thing and click OK so it saves it. Now if we click up here, we can bring the banner back. And then we can go layer, like I was saying, import from file, find the one we just created here. This one, and there it is there. Now you notice that the background color picked up because it wasn't a transparent image, but what we can do is we can use the magic wand to match the color. So all we have to do is go over here, go to the, well first let's go to the color picker, click on the color we want. Have to go back to the proper layer, which is this layer. Click on the color and you'll see it resets it here. I'll go back here. Now with the magic wand, what we have to do is click on it. Okay. And then everything that is that color, okay, so it selected the white area around there because that's where we click, so it selected all the white. Now what we do is do the bucket fill, and I click inside there. And you'll see that it has now changed the white to the same color as our background. So that's how we add color, text, and an image to a banner. Now that everything's complete, all we have to do is save it. So what we do is we do a file, do a save as, then we're going to pick a spot where we want it on our computer. We'll just leave it where it is here. We'll call it banner. Now, there are different types you can save it down here. If you save it as a paint.net, it'll save the project as you have it now. But if we want to save it, for instance, as JPEG, we can pick JPEG here, do a save. And then it goes through to ask us about the setting and quality. So we'll just leave the defaults there. Tell us that we have to flatten it. And there, it's done. Now we can open our image with our browser. Okay, so here's our banner. If we click on it, it'll open it in the viewer. There's what it looks like. And we can also open it by doing an open with, and with whatever browser we use, Firefox. And there's our banner in Firefox, all ready to use wherever we